Lesson and practice. Once upon a time, in a quaint village, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young girl named Amelia. Amelia was known throughout the village for her insatiable curiosity and her love for adventure. One sunny morning, as she wandered through the forest, Amelia stumbled upon an ancient, overgrown path she had never noticed before. Her eyes sparkled with excitement as she decided to follow it, her heart racing with anticipation of what she might discover. The path led her deeper and deeper into the forest, where the tall trees formed a natural canopy above her. Rays of golden sunlight pierced through the leaves, creating a magical, dappled effect on the ground. Birds sang melodious tunes, and a gentle breeze whispered secrets through the leaves. As Amelia walked, she began to notice peculiar markings on the trees. They were intricate, almost like a code. She realized she was on an unexpected quest to decipher this forest's ancient language. Hours turned into days, and Amelia's determination never waned. She encountered talking animals who offered cryptic riddles and wise advice, which helped her decode the mysterious markings. Along the way, she befriended a mischievous squirrel named Oliver and a wise old owl named Orion. With each passing day, the forest seemed to come alive with enchantment. It revealed hidden waterfalls, glowing fireflies that danced like stars, and even a shimmering pond inhabited by mystical creatures. Amelia's heart swelled with gratitude for this newfound world. One fateful day, as the last symbol on the final tree was deciphered, the forest seemed to hold its breath. A hidden passage appeared, and Amelia stepped through it, finding herself in a breathtaking clearing, bathed in ethereal light. In the center of the clearing stood a magnificent, ancient tree, its roots stretching deep into the earth, and its branches reaching toward the sky. The tree spoke to her in a gentle voice, revealing a profound secret about the interconnectedness of all life. Amelia returned to her village, carrying the wisdom she had gained. She shared her incredible journey with the villagers, who were in awe of her adventures and the lessons she had learned. The village was forever changed as its people embraced a newfound respect for the natural world and each other. Amelia's wanderlust never ceased, but her heart always remained connected to the enchanted forest that had transformed her life. And so, in that quiet village, the legend of Amelia, the girl who discovered the secrets of the forest, lived on for generations, inspiring young and old to cherish the wonders of the world around them. Please subscribe to our channel